My friend Noah is about to do an amazing dare. He's about to jump into the pool with his clothes on. Now I'm just going to do the updates at the beginning. Watch out for the Ellie Cup series, more Ellie Productions, and I'm working on it. Watch out for the second stop motion from Ellie Productions at Watkins Glen. The hell of a good 500 or 400, I don't know, but it's going to be pretty cool. Now, come on. He's about to do good. Hey, dog. It's recording, Noah. You just wait. Oh, jeez. Now you have a reason to get into the pool.
I do, actually.
Watch this.
Big dog. Okay, never mind.
Just jump in.
Wait, no. Get that freaking chicken out of here.
Dog, chicken, dog, chicken, dog, chicken, dog.
I am not going to jump on that.
What? You? No, this thing can only hold at least 7 minutes of film, so come on. That started it like 2 minutes ago. Oh, jeez! Nice one! Oh, jeez! How do you feel? Mr. Meyer, how do you feel?
I am going to dive in and get those diamond sticks. Dog fly. I can eat a fly.
You gonna eat a fly? That's like a double dare.
Huh?
That's like a double dare, eating a fly.
Fly.
Oh. How's the water?
Not bad.
Do I get in there? What do you think?
Yes, it is.
Oh, I didn't feel that.
Oh, wait.
I'm not. Hey, son, it's time to go for you guys. So, no, you almost got the camera wet. Do you guys know you're live on YouTube?
Oh, God, no.
Oh, jeez, Noah, you got your hair flattened. Yeah. Yep.
Yay.
Probably from the
Actually, Hot Wheels.
yeah.
Yeah.
Toys for fun. That is Toys R Us. No, that's actually Black Box. That is Toys R Us.
Who cares where you buy Hot Wheels from?
I am going down again.
You better change.
Gotta keep that going. Nice.
I'm gonna see if we can use our hot tub. My hot tub, I have one, but we haven't used it in a few years, so I wonder if I can use it.